Hey everyone, welcome to Neural Tech. Here's another question on Databricks certification. A Databricks workspace administrator has configured interactive clusters for each of the data engineering groups. To control costs, clusters are set to terminate after 30 minutes of inactivity. Each user should be able to execute workloads against their assigned clusters at any time of the day. Now here's the situation. Users have been added to the workspace, but they have not been granted any permissions yet. So the question is, assuming users have been added to a workspace but not granted any permissions, which of the following describes the minimal permissions a user would need to start and attach to an already configured cluster? Let's look at the options. Option A, can manage privileges on the required cluster. Option B, workspace admin privileges, cluster creation allowed, can attach to privileges on the required cluster. Option C, cluster creation allowed, can attach to privileges on the required cluster. Option D, can restart privileges on the required cluster. Option E, cluster creation allowed, can restart privileges on the required cluster. Now pause here. Do not jump to the answer yet. Let's understand what the question is really testing. This question is about minimal permissions. Not maximum, not administrator level, minimal. Notice something important. The clusters already exist. They are already configured, so users do not need permission to create clusters. That immediately allows us to eliminate option B, option C, and option E. Now let's look at option A. Can manage means full control. Users could edit configuration, resize clusters, delete clusters, and manage permissions. That is far more power than what is required. So option A is not minimal. Now we are left with option D. Can restart privileges on the required cluster. Here's why this works. When a cluster terminates due to inactivity, it enters a stopped state. A user with can restart privileges can start that cluster again using the existing configuration. Once the cluster is running, the user can attach and execute workloads. So can restart is the key permission that allows users to bring a terminated cluster back online. That satisfies the requirement. So the correct answer is option D. Before we close, here's an exam tip. If a question says clusters already exist and asks for minimal permissions, you almost never need cluster creation or admin privileges. That's it for this question. I'll see you in the next one.